Hey there, teach enthusiasts. Today we've got something truly exciting to talk about, the highly anticipated iPhone 13. Cut to a quick montage of the iPhone 13's sleek design, cameras, and features. Host. The iPhone 13 is here to redefine your smartphone experience. With its stunning design, it's a true feast for the eyes. But it's not just about looks. It's about performance too. Cut to shots of the A15 Bionic chip and graphic-intensive tasks. Host. Packed with the powerhouse A15 Bionic chip, this device is ready to tackle anything you throw at it. From gaming to multitasking, you won't experience a lag in sight. Cut to shots of the improved dual-camera system. Host. And let's talk about those cameras. A dual-camera system that's better than ever before. The advanced sensors and image processing make every shot pop with vibrant colors and stunning clarity. Cut to shots of the Super Retina XDR display. Host. Now let's take a moment to appreciate that Super Retina Extra display. Whether you're streaming your favorite show or editing photos, you're in for a visual treat. Cut to shots of various color options. Host. Oh, and did I mention the range of colors? The iPhone 13 comes in gorgeous options that suit your style. Cut back to the host. Host. So, whether you're a tech geek or just someone who loves a reliable, powerful smartphone, the iPhone 13 is an absolute winner. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech updates. Stay connected, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.